What's up, my soaping friends? I have a couple of things to do today, so I figured why not bring you all along. I have some soap to make, but in order to cut that time in half, I will be using the heat transfer method, and I do have a couple of orders to pack, but I wanted to share with you all what size boxes I use to run my soap business. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. The heat transfer method is literally using the heat from the live water to melt your hard butters and oils. The most important key, remember this, is to continue to stir until everything is fully melted. I'm telling you now, I know from experience, don't walk away from this, sis. Continue to stir that thing. If you want the recipe or want to know the ingredients I use to make this soap, watch this video right here. Once everything is nice and melted and smooth, it's time to add your liquid oils. And if you've never made soap before and want a detailed video, watch this video right here. Now let's stick blend till we get to a desired trace. The soap that I am making is my Ordinary People soap. It is unscented and uncolored, hence the name. I mean, they look good. Once I get this in the mold, it's going to rest for 24 hours. Time to unmold and cut it. I'm going to bevel the sides to clean it up a little bit. As the soap is curing for the 4 weeks, the sides will begin to match the middle. Here it is, my soaping friends, making CP soap in half the time. We just bypassed the double boiler method. Mind blown. Okay, we can check that off today's checklist. Let's get started on this order next, and I'll show you what size boxes I use and how I get the shipping costs down. This is a 5x4x2. This is what that'll look like. This is for a single soap use. My second smallest box is the 4x4x4. this size. And I can fit about 3 soap bars in this box, or a body butter. For instance, if I just had 1 body butter, it'll even fit my 8-ounce jar as well. Okay, so my third, this is like a medium size box. It is a, what is this again? This is a 7x5x4. 7x5x4, and all of this will be in the description box. This is like a medium size box for me. It can hold up to like 8 soaps depending on the size, and this can also fit in a USPS envelope, flat rate envelope, to reduce the shipping costs. It can fit in here. So yeah. And my largest box is like my gift set box. If I have a gift set pack, I'll have a soap, a body butter, or a scrub, and it'll just be like laid out nicely. Or it can fit up to 10 bars of soap. And if this is really heavy, this box can fit in a USPS priority mailbox to get the shipping costs down. Depending on where it's going, this box can fit in this box. Or I could just use this box. But sometimes I just like for the stuff to come in a box. So I'll still put this box in this box. Okay guys, so that was that. Those are the 2 things I had to get off my to-do list. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, drop in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see me do next. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube. Really do appreciate all the subscribers. I know I have a video a year ago where I said I had like 23 subscribers, and now we are sitting at 2.5K subscribers. So that's what's up. Keep on with the keep on. Until next time, y'all, spread love and never hate. Because what you hating for? Peace.